Yes, guys, and we're back. This is an absolute stealth mission. Stealth. Innit?
Yeah. I think there's a camera on that lamppost at right,
Yeah,
but for that building probably.
Yeah.
That's what I see.
What we're heading for
Yeah,
is
over
on
there.
two blast furnaces.
One's further down.
Hopefully we can get in and
Right.
show you about.
Should we send it towards the port cabin?
So yeah, security driving about everywhere.
Coming our way.
So yeah, we've got so far. Look at that. That's the other blast furnace. Got this far. Now hopefully we can get in that and that. The blast furnaces, Port Talbot. Looking like old men. It's just what we're having to do to get through. So close, so close. So yeah. So yeah, we're gonna try and get over. We're just trying to source a plan of action before we just go in. Obviously, these people just see the video and think, oh yeah, there's some good getting in there, but like the levels of like stealth we're having to go through to get to what we want to go and see is unreal. That's the stuff you don't see. So we can look at the fence line. Have to go through all this overgrowth. We're cut up, shredded up. Security's everywhere as well. That is no exaggeration. Proper on it on here. This is probably one.
Right, everyone, come on. Yeah. Right, stay right in. Yeah.
Wow, look at that. Climbed in. Wow. Love our industrial, don't we? Look at these. These have been newly put in since its closure.
I've done 2 big cameras. 2 big ones.
The amount of cameras in this place.
It's too many, it's too many.
Yeah, I've seen them all on that wall, I know.
Wow. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
You'll be fine, don't worry.
Doing stealth missions. We've done well to get this far on site. We've done really well to get this far.
Get a picture of us, please. Everyone, get a picture of that. That's blast furnace number. What? The other one. That's the other
4,
one.
isn't it? Or 5 or something. Wow, check the blue lights on around the bottom.
That's blast furnace, what we need to get to.
There's one above us. There's one above us.
What? Blast furnace?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I don't know the one, so yeah. Car.
Hey?
So we're here. Haha. We made it. After a proper stealth mission. We've got this far. Imagine the people that used to work here, how many steps they used to do a day, coming up and down, up and down. Wow. Wow. Probably be the plan. Wow. The face you do when you get into Port Talbot. So yeah, make sure you give it a like, give it a share. If you are new to the channel, subscribe. And we're gonna get right to the top.
I've just seen a van.
I've just seen a van
Drive
over
that
there,
one.
yeah,
Front, yeah.
at the front. Wow. This is gonna be mega when we get to the top. Look at the mountain in the back. Wow. Security all over this site as well. Heard of a lot of people failing this place, so credit where credit's due. Don't do that, Josh, I don't like that.
No.
Wow. Do apologise that there's no lights on, obviously. We've named it Operation Stealth Pigeon. Wow. It's incredible.
Oi, get a picture of that. I know for Las Vegas, Ferris stuck.
Ferris Stockhouse, yeah. Imagine how many people have been working in this bit. How many people got laid off when blast furnaces shut?
I don't know.
So after looking in the paper, it says something around the security over there as well. It says something like 4,000 people lost their jobs. I could kind of believe it if all like these buildings had like 30, 40 odd people and 50 people in there, 50, like it'd all add up after amount of time and that. Maybe it could be 4,000 people have lost their jobs since both of these furnaces closed down.
Oi, fine. Far over there.
Yeah, I know. But yeah, they're meant to be doing arc furnaces, knocking these down and making arc furnaces that are going to cost billions of pounds and start melting UK scrap steel, so incredible. Look at them wheels as well.
Numbers dwindled down to 1,000 people working here, which, to be honest,
I'd have probably said there are a good 1,000 people in this blast, on the blast
you
furnaces.
wouldn't even think 1,000 people touch sides of this place, would you? Like looking at it, look at the size of it, 1,000 people.
Yeah, but if they're dotted around on like each level and stuff, it is quite high. I'd be one of them workers that'd be enjoying the views. I can't imagine it on a windy day, like. Yeah, that's what I mean. Right, let's take you further up. I won't be going over that walkway.
Hey, like a big part.
It's like top of a fucking shit.
Yeah.
That's got to be like some big extractor on it.
Wow, look at all that.
Yeah, something. Is that still part of this site, that?
That's active.
That's where over the rest of 1,000 people are.
Wow. Security driving about. This is incredible. Fuck. You're off your head. We don't like heights. I'm petrified of heights. Even though you probably won't think with some of the places I've been to. Yeah, that blast furnace. Oh, in the middle bits, yeah, the camera's up to hell, isn't there? Yeah. I don't know if they'll be on though. I can't imagine them not being on.
They fucked off the fucking ladders.
What?
They've got rid of ladders and stuff. It's weird. It's like they've got rid of everything to climb up.
Yeah, I know.
It's been cut off. Them weird things on it, like bombs.
Torpedoes.
You fella.
The torpedoes where the load molten iron. I think it's
Hey.
where the.
Can you hear that? Beep,
Yeah.
beep, beep. There's some operations going off somewhere.
Yeah, the torpedoes for the trains, but they look like they've just been all carted into that corner and left. And like I say in most of the videos, if anyone does know what anything does on this site that's in the video, do let us know in the comments, because it becomes interesting when you know a bit more about what you're on. That's quite cool though. We're just almost at the top of the blast furnace. Gives you an inkling on how high.
It's another floor here.
We need to get up there.
To be fair, with these pipes in fog, it'll ruin pictures fog.
Yeah, it's starting to get foggy, isn't it?
Loads of fog coming in.
Wet rain and that.
Come on.
So
Look at me this time, yeah?
we've done it.
Oh, it's not there. You know what I'm saying? Just over here. Look
I don't want to blow my trumpet too much, but I'd say we've done pretty well.
Hey, the top's a bit true, yeah? Are you ready,
Aye aye. Yeah, we don't like heights, but the heights are rewarded by good pictures. And obviously, as you know, I enjoy sharing my pictures with you guys at home, and obviously videos. Just be careful because security are out there. But yeah, we've done it. We've got onto the blast furnaces. Morning commuter train. You can actually see more with this than you can the human eye. So yeah, we've made it to the very top. Oh, I ain't got flash on, I'm just using night mode, 4K night mode. It's a shame we've got all these lights and stuff, like it's just like bouncing back at the camera, so you're getting glare off the lights, but this is actually incredible. The top of Port Talbot, and it's massive. A lot of the site though looks like it's not in use. A lot of dark areas within the site.
Like big trucks.
Down there you've got all them torpedo tanks. All the trains and that. Look like they're just being left here, stored there.
It's going to be a mad one.
Yeah, getting out's gonna be crazy.
Still going. Just it full of them.
Yeah.
Jeez, that took fucking ages to fall.
So yeah, this is pretty much the end of the video. We've got a long way down. This will make a lot of people sick. But yeah, look at how small them buildings are. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I do hope you've enjoyed it. It's starting to get very busy on this road as well. Hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure you smash that like button. Give it a share. Subscribe if you are new. And as always, we'll catch you on the next one.